Right, welcome back to our main make challenge breakfast set. So, all our pieces of thrown are now dried, or just about dried, ready to trim, put handles on, make them all into one functional bit. So, for this part of the challenge, it is an hour and a half, which is to trim and add handles, etc. So, we'll start our timer. Hour and a half. So we've got various bits covered up. So we're going to do our toast rack, and then we've got things to throw. So we'll get you on the tripod, get you down so you can see what's going on. Right. What we're going to do first? Trimming. So our first trimming is cups, saucers, to start with. So we'll get cracking, get a bit of clear, stick these fellas onto the wheel, and do first get them out of the way. There's not much on the saucers, so we're going to do a cup first. Okay, so centered, stuck on the wheel, ready to trim. We're going to leave the bottoms flat, so we're literally just going to trim a bit of weight out of here, and then all we're going to do is put a little bevel on the edge. That's one down. So what I'm going to attempt, and put it in a jig, try and take a bit of weight out the top. Now this is the second one I threw, so it's a bit cleaner. We'll risk this without any. So two cups. Put handles on them in a minute, fettle them off a bit. Right, what we've got next to trim saucers for said cups. Okay, so you'll have a nice little cup and saucer. Thanks. So there's first trim done. How are we doing for time anyway? 15 minutes to do them. Right. We shall add some handles while we're here. Now, got to pick our handles to match our cups. Well, they're our smallest handles, so we'll see if we can get that without snapping. So there's our cups and saucers done, and we've got just under an hour left. See what that's like. It's more if it sits right. Yes. So we'll pick some handles for this fella. Right, I'm going to attach another 1, 2, 3 of them, so catch it when we've done that. See you in a few seconds. Welcome back. Time's getting very tight. Took a lot longer to assemble this than I was expecting, but we got there in the end. We've got a toast rack. It's a bit wet, but we're not going to be trimming out the base much because it's quite thin. It's very thin. So we're going to do the walls. How's our timer doing? 20 minutes to go. Will we finish it in time? So the plan is do the whole lot in one go. So we've just about got away with it. We have had to fashion a spout, and I need a hole in here. Oh God, 6 minutes to put a handle on. Can we do it? Sure we can put a handle on in 6 minutes. I'm sure we can. Got 2 minutes to go. Yeah, I can't believe I forgot to put a spout on it. 2 minutes to go. I'll fettle this fella. And that's it. Done. Well, just to show you, we've got 10 seconds left and we've just finished everything. So we got our plate rack, toast rack, cafetiere and lid. Oh, and there's our time up. So that's it. So that's our first main make done. And that was just enough time to do it, to tell you the truth, really, hour and a half. So that's it. We'll catch you in the next bit when we decorate. So see you then. Bye.